Namaste, Adab. Welcome everybody to this Sham Gana special episode number 318. बच्चा पैदा होते ही एक शब्द पहले कहता है, वो होता है माँ, और माँ से जुड़ा हुआ है म्यूजिक का वो माँ. And definitely we are going to make it a very melodious evening with all the mothers here with their kids. So I will be welcoming Anaya. Shayani is her mother. Then Varsha, Hridan his mother, and then we'll have Nandika, Joey being her mother there, and Sonara and myself. So hope you will enjoy today's special episode of Mother's Day, and thanks to Dr. Tushar for thinking of this special theme for us on the occasion of Mother's Day. Over to you, Dr. Tushar.
Thank you so much, Sushmita. Good evening and a very heartfelt welcome to Sham Gana on Indus TV. Tonight's episode is truly special and deeply emotional as we come together to celebrate the most pure, selfless and unconditional bond in the world, a mother's love. A mother is our first teacher, guiding us through life's earliest lessons. She is our silent strength, standing behind us in every success and holding us steady through every challenge. She is our biggest cheerleader, our safe place, and our forever home. Her sacrifices often go unseen, her love often goes unspoken, but her presence shapes who we are in the most profound ways. This evening we dedicate every note, every melody, every heartfelt performance to all the wonderful mothers, those who are with us today, those watching us from near and far, and those who continue to live forever in our hearts and memories. Through the magic of music, we will revisit cherished moments, express our gratitude, and celebrate the warmth, strength, and endless love that only a mother can give. Each song this evening carries a story, an emotion, and a tribute to the incredible role that mothers play in our lives. So ladies and gentlemen, sit back, relax, and allow yourself to feel every emotion as we honor the beautiful journey of motherhood together. Wishing everyone a happy Mother's Day. To all the amazing moms, your love is truly the greatest gift in the world. Let the music begin on Sham Gana, episode number 318. Let's welcome Sushmita, Sonaira, Barsha, Ridan, Sayani and Anaya, Joey and Nandika, and of course our wonderful host Sushmita on Sham Gana. Welcome, Sushmita.
Thank you again, Dr. Tushar. It's such a pleasant and wonderful evening for me to have all these kids here. And I'm sure Anaya is very excited to go for her first song. I would like to know from you, when did you start singing? Is it your mother who started teaching you for singing, or who is the one who tells you to sing?
My mom.
And what's your mom's name?
Shayani Adhikari.
And did she teach you the same song?
Yes.
Okay. Then you're all prepared. Go for it. Come on.
लकड़ी की काटी काटी पे गोरा गोरी की लकड़ी की काटी काटी पे गोरा गोरी की दुम पे जो मारा है दौरा 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 गोरा तुम उठा के दौरा लकड़ी की काटी काटी पे गोरा गोरी की दुम पे जो मारा है दौरा 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 गोरा तुम उठा के दौरा गोरा धागा मंडी पोचा सब्जी मंडी बड़ा परिती बरत में लगे डंडी तक बक गोरा धागा मंडी पोचा सब्जी मंडी बड़ा परिती बरत में लगे डंडी दौरा 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 गोरा तुम उठा के दौरा लकड़ी की काटी काटी पे गोरा गोरी की दुम पे जो मारा है दौरा 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 गोरा तुम उठा के दौरा ला 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 गोरा पोछा चौक में दाना गोरी जी की नाई ने हजामत जो बनाए तक गोरा पोछा चौक में दाना गोरी जी की नाई ने हजामत जो बनाए दौरा 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 गोरा तुम उठा के दौरा लकड़ी की काटी काटी पे गोरा गोरी की दुम पे जो मारा है दौरा 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 गोरा तुम उठा के दौरा
What a opening, huh? Great. Your mama has taught you so well, and at the same time, you have learned it well. Okay? So let's call your mama to listen to her. So here we go with Shayani. That's Anaya's mom. Today it is Mom's Day. So, Shayani, here you go. You can talk about when did you start your music, and then what's your song of the day?
Hello everyone, good evening. I started my music when I was, I think, 5 years old. I was trained in Indian classical music and Rabindra Sangeet till my college days. Then I have to move away from my hometown and got a little detached with music. But when Anaya was born, I want to expose her to the Indian music. So I started again, and these days we both are singing together. So thank you.
And one more thing, we love to learn songs together.
बड़ा नटखट है रे कृष्ण कन्हैया, का करे यशोदा मैया। बड़ा नटखट है रे कृष्ण कन्हैया, का करे यशोदा मैया। बड़ा नटखट है रे।
छुपा लूं, तो ही मैं गले से लगा लूं, लागे ना किसी की नजर मन में छुपा लूं। धूप जगत है रे, ममता है छैया, का करे यशोदा मैया, बड़ा नटखट है रे। That was wonderful, Shayani. So both of you sang from the Burman family. So great composers, and you carried it so well. I'm so glad I have you here today. What say, Dr. Tushar?
Yes, wonderful. Wonderful start. Both mom and daughter both did a wonderful job. Very nice. Keep it up.
I'm sure all the audience must be enjoying so much, and they are looking forward to our next pair of mom and kid duo. So here we have Borsha and we have Hridan. Hridan is a special meaning. I hope it's a special name, I guess. I hope he knows the meaning of your name.
Hi, my name is Ridan, and my name means the gift of love. Like a person that has having like a big heart, and yeah, that's the meaning of my name.
Well trained, well taught. All kudos to mom for that.
Yeah.
Okay, great. So, Varsha, which is her song? Which is his song? Any song you can start. So,
I would also like to request Ridan to keep the mic as close to mouth as possible. We can hear you nicely.
Okay.
do you want to sing together the song duet? Is that okay? This audio. Yes. Sorry about that. This is the one, right? Yeah, sorry about that. Oh, I can't figure out the audio either. No, even if you give me, I'm not able to. No, it's working, but then I don't have the. I don't know how to figure out the. No, I cannot do it right now. It will take time. Sorry about the delay a bit. Where can I find audio? Where can I find? Here. How do I find it? You have not labeled it, no? So I'm not able to find it. Okay, let me do it again. Sorry about that. Yeah, I know, but it will not work that way. Accept, and then where it goes. Okay, and then this one. Where is it playing?
पूछो ना कैसे मैंने रैन बिताए, पूछो ना कैसे मैंने रैन बिताए। एक पल जैसे एक जुग बीता, एक जुग जैसे एक जुग बीता। जुग बीते मोहे नींद ना आए, पूछो ना कैसे मैंने रैन बिताए। इत जल दीपक एक मन मेरा, फिर भी न जाए मेरे घर का अंधेरा। एक जल दीपक एक मन मेरा, मन मेरा एक जल दीपक एक मन मेरा, फिर भी न जाए मेरे घर का अंधेरा। तरपत तरसत उम्र गवाए, पूछो ना कैसे मैंने रैन बिताए।
ना कहीं चंदा ना कहीं तारे, ज्योति के प्यासे मेरे नैन बेचारे। ना कहीं चंदा ना कहीं तारे, ज्योति के प्यासे मेरे नैन बेचारे। मोर आशिकी किरण बुलाए,
पूछो ना कैसे मैंने रैन बिताए। एक जुग
रैन
बिताए, एक पल जैसे एक जुग बीता, एक पल जैसे एक जुग बीता। जुग बीते मोहे नींद ना आए, पूछो ना कैसे मैंने रैन बिताए। मैंने रैन बिताए। Thank you.
Lovely, Ridan. How long did you take to learn this song?
I learned it a few months ago, but I just wanted to perform this because I didn't have time to prepare anything else.
Oh my God. I thought you would say, oh, this is a tribute for my mother. That's a smart answer to say, isn't it? But then you are a very honest boy. So it's good that your mom has taught you a lot of honesty. You don't have to fake it. Great, King Hridan. So next I will have Nondika. And she is going to open with a Rag Miya Malhar song, which is Bole Re Papihara. I would love to have few words from Joey. Come, Nandika, come. Nandika, I would love to hear something about you and your mom and your connection to music.
I love my mom. She's like a really good mom. So, my connection to music is, I started learning music when I was very young, and I used to learn by my mother, and I think last year I learned Boleraga Pihara. That's it.
So is this song taught to you by your mommy?
Yeah.
Mommy, few words.
No, nothing much to say. Actually, she plays like a couple of instruments, but she loves to sing also. So let's see how it goes.
So great, Nandika, you ready, right?
Yeah.
MP4? Can she sing from MP4? No, then we cannot talk or anything. No, it should be like one channel only, right? I have only one channel. Okay. Yeah, it's English.
बोले रे पपी हरा हरा बोले रे पपी हरा पपी हरा मन रासा
Wonderful, wonderful. I think the evening is getting better and better with all the kids singing. So now we will have the fourth kid of the evening, Sanaira Singh. So let's go ahead. It was very well done, Nandika. जल्दी आदित्य ले
Hello, my name is Sanara Singh, and today I'm going to be singing Meri Maa Mama by Kailash Kher. I chose this song to show my love for my mom and all that she does for me. I'll start now. Thank you.
Good job. And I loved it that you said Pyari Ma, Mama. I was like, yeah, I am. And gussa karti was a fact. So, well done. Okay. So I will have the moms now. Let's have the flavor of moms now that kids are done. So Shiny is done with her solo, but then I would like to welcome Porsha with her solo. Where is the song? चल के तुझे right? I don't see it here, so let's go. I have provided that we wait right now. It's taking time, no? So.
चल के तुझे मैं लेके चलूं एक ऐसे गगन के तले जहाँ गम भी न हो आंसू भी न हो बस प्यार ही प्यार पले। चल के तुझे मैं लेके चलूं एक ऐसे गगन के तले जहाँ गम भी न हो आंसू भी न हो बस प्यार ही प्यार पले एक ऐसे गगन के तले। सूरज की पहली किरण से आशा का सवेरा जागे। सूरज की पहली किरण से आशा का सवेरा जागे। चंदा की किरण से धुलकर घन घोर अंधेरा भागे। चंदा की किरण से धुलकर घन घोर अंधेरा भागे। कभी धूप खिले कभी छाँव मिले लंबी सी डगर न खले जहाँ गम भी न हो आंसू भी न हो बस प्यार ही प्यार पले एक ऐसे गगन के तले। जहाँ दूर नजर दौड़ाए आजाद गगन लहराए। जहाँ दूर नजर दौड़ाए आजाद गगन लहराए। जहाँ रंग बिरंगे पंछी आशा का संदेशा लाए। जहाँ रंग बिरंगे पंछी आशा का संदेशा लाए। सपनों में पली हंसती हो गली जहाँ शाम सुहानी ढले। जहाँ गम भी न हो आंसू भी न हो बस प्यार ही प्यार पले एक ऐसे गगन के तले। सपनों की ऐसी जहाँ में जहाँ प्यार ही प्यार खिला हो हम जाके वहाँ खो जाए। शिकवा न कोई गिला हो कहीं बैर न हो कहीं गैर न हो, सब मिलके उछलते चले। जहाँ गम भी न हो, आंसू भी न हो, बस प्यार ही प्यार फले। आ चल के तुझे मैं लेके चलूं एक ऐसे गगन के तले। जहाँ गम भी न हो, आंसू भी न हो, बस प्यार ही प्यार फले। एक ऐसे गगन के तले, एक ऐसे गगन के तले, एक ऐसे गगन के तले। Thank you, Sushmita.
Thanks to you for having us rendered a beautiful song. ये गाना कंपोज किया था किशोर दा ने, गाया उन्होंने था और उसमें उनके बेटे भी थे. So you can say that any heart which fosters a mom's heart is actually a mother. So your dad can also be your mother to you, your siblings, your any friend, दादी माँ, नानी माँ, सभी आपके माँ बन सकते हैं. Anybody who has that, anybody who fosters that mom's heart is a mom for us. So thank you again, Dr. Tushar, हमारी मम्मियों को खुश करने के लिए इस बहाने full of gratitude we are for you. Thank you so much.
It's going wonderful, everyone. Keep it up.
So अगला गाना जोई जी पेश करने वाली हैं. नंदिका ने उनका थोड़ा सा अंश दिखा ही दिया है, सभी पूरी माँ का कमाल देखते हैं. So let's go ahead. I hope it works. That didn't work. Which is your song? Let's go there. Like जाने क्या बात है? ओह अच्छा. Sorry for the delay, but meanwhile I can have a few chit chat with the mommies. So how did it take for you now? I know that Nandika is good in her instruments and all. How did you tame her to sing as well?
Hello? Yeah, actually, Nandika is like more into her instruments, but as I told already, like she loves to sing. So for this one, like this performance, I kind of emotionally blackmailed her. This is mom's program, you have to do. And it worked. Thank you.
Oh wow, so you are a magician as well? You know how to coax your kid to sing as well, right?
Yeah, every mom knows.
That's the flair your mom has, right? So good. Go ahead with this. That's not working.
जाने क्या बात है, जाने क्या बात है, जाने क्या बात है, जाने क्या बात है, नींद नहीं आती, बड़ी लंबी रात है, जाने क्या बात है, जाने क्या
you so much. I just want to mention it was my tribute for Asha ji. Those two Bengali lines. Sorry for that. Thank you so much.
नींद और माँ का बहुत बड़ा संपर्क है, हम सभी को पता है। लोरी सुनाती है माँ और फिर बच्चों को सुलाती है। So of course we are not having any song related to sleep time here. Our kids are very so शानी हमें ऐसी ही एक नींद से रिलेटेड गाना सुनाने वाली है। Wonderful, Joy. You made us so much excited that we just jumped. It was a great tribute from Joey, isn't it? Next, we are going to have Shayoni, and she is going to enthrall us with her song. No, I don't know, where did it go? I had it here. I had it in Google Drive, right? या सो माँ और नींद रात शाइनी ने पूरी इंतजाम करी हुई है। सो लेट्स गो अहेड विद दिस वन। हम बस सो नहीं गए, आपने इतना अच्छा गाया। Thankfully we all are awake and listening to you. We enjoyed it so much. So I think Anaya is ready with another song of hers. So can we have her then? Okay.
I just wanted to say thank you so much, Shushmita Di and Dr. Tushar, for giving me and Anaya this opportunity in this lovely. Thank you.
So we will again have Anaya. She's so excited to go for her next song. I think she'll go for Dil Hai Chhota Sa. So Chhoti Si Anaya will go with her. You know, it is sung by... Who sang this song? Dil Hai Chhota Sa? Mini. So like you are Mini? So somebody, a very great renowned singer, Mini, she has sung this.
Yes, the first time I heard this song, I did a dance with some of my friends, and someone's mom taught us.
Oh, very nice. So we are going to enjoy this song when you sing, okay? Let me start.
बोली सी आशा.
So this was sung by Mini, and you also sang like Mini.
Yes.
Yes? Great. Good to know. And you know what? Next time not only you should sing, you should go to Hogai Kanal in Tamil Nadu. It was shot there. So you should go and sing there also. You know?
Okay.
So wonderful listening to these kids, isn't it? And we are so grateful their moms spent so much of time to have this episode so successful. I can have Sonaira go with, because it's Dil Hai Chhota Sa, so you know she also has something related to this, like Mere Khwabon Mein Jo Aayi. So here she goes with her.
चुप के फिर क्यों रहता है वो, कर बेटा भूल वो, ले आया फूल वो, उससे कहो जाए चांद लेके आए, मेरे ख्वाबों में जो आए, आके मुझे छेड़ जाए, मेरे ख्वाबों में जो आए, आके मुझे छेड़ जाए, उससे कहो कभी सामने तो आए, ला 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 ला। Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sonara, for keeping words for mommy for this episode. Thank you so much again, and I'm so thankful to the little kids also here today. They're so enthusiastic to sing their songs, their part. And now we are going to have a wonderful, wonderful tribute from Hridan. He's actually going to play on guitar, and imagine what's the song. Khamoshiya. Wow, I can't believe. Oh my God. So let's listen to Hridan.
No, this is fine. Actually, it needs high chair. It needs high chair? No, he is fine. Hridan, একটু চেয়ারটা এগিয়ে আনতে হবে।
Hello everyone, I'm gonna be singing Khamoshiya from the movie Khamoshiya, sang by Arijit Singh originally. Thank you. खामोशिया आवाज है, तुम सुनने तो आओ कभी, छू कर तुम्हें खिल जाएंगी, घर इनको बुलाओ कभी, बेकरार है बात करने को, कहने दो इनको जरा, खामोशियाँ तेरी मेरी खामोशियाँ, खामोशियाँ लिपटी हुई खामोशियाँ। ढूंढ कोई लाओ जरा खामोशियाँ अल्फाज है कभी आ गुनगुना ले जरा बेकरार है बात करने को कहने दो इनको जरा खामोशियाँ तेरी मेरी खामोशियाँ खामोशियाँ लिपटी हुई खामोशियाँ नदियों का पानी भी खामोश रहता यहाँ खिली चांदनी में छिपी लाख खामोशियाँ बारिश की बूंदों की होती कहाँ है जुबान सुलगते दिलों में है खामोश उठता धुआं खामोशियाँ आकाश है तुम उड़ने तो आओ जरा खामोशियाँ एहसास है तुम महसूस होती है क्या करार है बात करने को कहने दो इनको जरा खामोशियाँ तेरी मेरी खामोशियाँ खामोशियाँ तेरी मेरी खामोशियाँ Thank you.
You know, खामोशियाँ means like you have literally shut all of us. खामोश कर दिया हम सबको. Wonderful. Isn't it a little Arijit Singh singing? Maybe. Who knows, right? Mom's dream, you are going to make it fulfill, right? Great. Thank you so much. Yeah. Well done. Very well done. So, खामोशियाँ के इस अच्छे से बहुत ही सुंदर से गाने के बाद हिदान की पेशकश के बाद we'll have another ghazal which is by Hariharan Sahab. So Joey is going to sing that song for us. Joey is a music teacher as well, other than her profession. So how is it going with all the kids, Joey? What's your opinion as a mom?
It's very nice. I'm so proud of all of them. Like so good, so good. They're so good. लिए फिरता हूँ तन्हाई को शहर दर शहर लिए फिरता हूँ तन्हाई को ग रे सा नी रे सा नी धा पा धा नी सा। जिस तरफ जाए है खोखले लफ्ज़ों का हुजूम, जिस तरफ जाए है खोखले लफ्ज़ों का हुजूम, कौन समझे यहाँ आवाज़ की गहराई को, कौन समझे यहाँ आवाज़ की गहराई को। शहर दर शहर लिए फिरता हूँ तन्हाई को। खूब वाकिफ़ हूँ मैं दुनिया के चलन से राशिदे, खूब वाकिफ़ हूँ मैं दुनिया के चलन से राशिदे। मैंने पर्वत नहीं समझा है कभी राही को, मैंने पर्वत नहीं समझा है कभी राही को। शहर दर शहर लिए फिरता हूँ तन्हाई को, कौन समझे यहाँ आवाज़ की गहराई को। शहर दर शहर लिए फिरता हूँ तन्हाई को। थैंक यू।
वाह, व्हाट अ रेंडिशन। खामोशियों के बाद बहुत ही अच्छा डिस्कशन अबाउट तन्हाई, ब्यूटीफुल रेंडिशन अगेन। तो ये शाम बहुत अच्छी गुजर रही है, ऑब्वियसली फॉर मी डेफिनेटली। आशा करती हूँ कि दर्शकों के लिए भी बहुत अच्छी गुजर रही होगी। इस मौके पे मुझे लगता है कि हम कुछ ऐसे याद करते हैं कि माँ हमारी मातृभूमि भी होती है। सो ऐसे ही कुछ एक गाने का जिक्र है जो ए आर रहमान साहब ने किया था। इट वॉज अबाउट इंडियाज सन एंड द मदर हु लॉस्ट her son to this cause. So बहुत ही फेमस और बहुत ही टचिंग सा गाना है, लुक्का छुपी। मैं कोशिश करूँगी गाने के लिए। आई एम सॉरी, थोड़ी देर लग जा रही मुझे क्योंकि मैंने रखा था बट यहाँ दिख नहीं रहा। mom it's herself. So thank you so much again. I would like to have a vote of thanks from everybody. So come over, all the moms and all the kids who made it this evening for us. Come, Sonara, come here. Let's start with Sonara.
Thank you so much, Dr. Tushar and my mom and everyone who organized this special day to celebrate all mothers, grandmothers, and mother figures throughout the whole world. I love to celebrate Mother's Day because I know my mom has done so much for me, and I know mothers all around the world do so much for their kids too.
So Mother's Day, I like I like how my mom does all this stuff for me, and I like how there's like a special celebration for that. And today there would be no Mother's Day if like people hadn't organized it. So like I'm like happy that there's like a Mother's Day.
What a point! What a point! Good job. Come,
Thank you for letting me sing, and I love Mother's Day because my mom means a lot to me. She cares about me a lot, and thank you.
The reason I could sing these two songs were because of my mom. Like, she's been teaching me since like I was really young, and Mother's Day is a day to appreciate mothers like my mom. So happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there, and this is the least I could do to appreciate my mom. Thank you.
very good. Come, the moms come.
Like for me, every day is Mother's Day, and I stay like far away from my mother, my mother-in-law, and I love them so much. I am here, I am what, all because of them. So thank you so much all the mother and motherly figures, and thank you Tusharji and Susmita for arranging this wonderful celebration. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Tusharji and Susmita, first of all, for the opportunity, and very nice organized program it is. We enjoyed the event a lot. Happy Mother's Day to all the moms out here. And definitely without our moms' contribution, we are nowhere, right? So I also have my mom's immense contribution in shaping up my life. And as already said by Joey, we are mom every day, and we cannot take that factor out of us. So we are trying to shape our kids, we are trying to give them love, and that's what we expect, that someday they will grow up to be a very good human being. That's what my expectation from my son as a mom. And happy Mother's Day once again.
I think I want to wish all the moms happy Mother's Day. As Joydi said, like every day is Mother's Day. And I again want to thank Sushmita Di and Dr. Tushar for giving us this opportunity to celebrate this day together with our kids. So thank you so much.
I had a wonderful time. Thanks to Dr. Tushar for thinking about this theme, and all our kids did so well. Thank you again, Dr. Tushar and Indus TV. Over to you, Dr. Tushar.
What a wonderful, melodious evening, everyone. So proud of everyone. Happy Mother's Day to all. Kids did a wonderful job, actually. I loved the show. Keep coming back. Keep singing. and have a wonderful evening, everyone.
बात के साथ मैं विदा लेती हूँ सभी से. Adios, good evening, namaste, शब्बा खैर. See you again.